अमिजात म्हळ्यार इश्टागत हो कोंकणी सिनेमा इश्टागत मोग आनी एक्शन पॅड्स आसा. अनिकेत नायकान दिग्दर्शीत केल्लो हो नवो कोंकणी सिनेमा 7 डिसेंबराक सिनेमाघरांनी प्रदर्शीत जातलो. शेनवारा ह्या कोंकणी सिनेमाचो ट्रेलर पणजे उजवाडायलो.
This is a story of four friends and how one of the guy falls in love with this pretty looking girl standing right next to me, and what happens to their amizad and how that gets into a real drama kind of a action drama flick. So that's all the film is all about.
हांवें पयलीं जे फिल्मांनी कास्टिंग केला त्या फिल्माक कॅरेक्टर रोल्स आसताले आनी ह्या फिल्माक न्ही एक कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट आसा जो आमच्या गोंयान हल्ली पयलीं ना. हिरो हिरोईन मागीर जो स्टार फॅक्टर आसता न्ही तो ना. हांव अशा खातीर म्हणना की हांव ह्या फिल्माचो भाग आसा अशा त्या खातीर म्हणना, पूण हांवें ह्या फिल्माची जर्नी पळयल्या, क्वॉलिटी पळयल्या, त्या खातीर जो आमच्या हातून हिरो हिरोईनचो कॉन्सेप्ट आसा न्ही तो कोंकणी फिल्मा इंडस्ट्रीन ना. सो ह्या फिल्माच्या थ्रू तो येवपाक लागतलो.
It's a love story with a twist and a little bit of tragedy and some action and some drama and some entertainment. So overall it's a whole package, like it's a full package, and I wouldn't say anything about the story or the storyline of the movie because I want you guys to come watch it, come enjoy it, come be a part of it. But about Amizad as a family, about everybody that is involved, I will tell you this one thing, that although it might have taken us a little longer, but through that whole process we've come to become like this whole big Amizad family. And it's not just about a movie for us, it's a journey that everybody has joined together and come along with.
Hi guys, we are coming in the theaters near you.
On 7 December.
Make sure you don't miss it.
Team Amizad guys.
See you at the movies.